Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. I am Anindo Chaudhary. Now today I will discuss the part 2 of chapter 2, that is number coding. Now let us start. So friends, what is the meaning of number coding? That means number coding means which relates with letter or it is symbols. Is it clear? Now today I will discuss the number coding topic which relates with letter. Okay, which relates with letter. Now let us take an example. Suppose I draw a box. Okay. Just listen carefully. Very easy. Okay. Suppose 2, 5, 6, 8, 9 is written as A, C, E, H, O. Clear? Is it visible to you? If you have any doubt regarding this, then please write your query on comment section. Okay. 3 or it is 7 or it is 4 is written as, ধরো এখানে B হলো, M দিলাম, P দিলাম। এইবার কোশ্চেন আমি তোমায় করলাম, what is the code of or what is the number code of M, E, C, H? What is the code of M, E, C, H? Now it is clearly understand to each and every students. That means M is written as 7. Now put your value of M. E is written as 6. Put your value is 6. C 5. Put your value is 5. H 8. So put your value is 8. So this is your answer. Is it clear? Now let us take another example. Very easiest chapter. Okay, coding decoding, and in this chapter 3 parts are there. I'm already discussed about letter coding. Today I will discuss the number coding. Suppose let's take an example. Eyeball. Suppose eyeball is written as is it visible to all of you? Okay, যদি বোঝা না যায় তাহলে বলবে, ঠিক আছে? Eyeball is written as 426430113. This is not a phone number, just for joking. And year set eyeball is written as this. Year set is written as okay. So what is the code of nose ring? What is the code of nose ring? What is the logic? If you have any idea, now listen very carefully. Here E is a vowel, Y is a consonant. alphabetical position of E is 5. Alphabetical position of Y is 25. Y is consonant. E is vowel. Here what I have done, that is vowel minus 1, consonant plus 1. Vowel minus 1, consonant plus 1. So that means E5 4, Y 25 26, E5 4, B2 consonant plus 1 3, A vowel, A position 1, 1 minus 1 0, L 12 consonant plus 1 13. Year set. Similarly, same rules. E is a vowel minus 1 4, A is a vowel minus 1 0, R consonant 18 plus 1 19, S 19 consonant plus 1 20, E is a vowel minus 1 4, T consonant plus 1 21. Now what is the code of nose ring? Similarly, इनका अल्फाबेटिकल पोजीशन में वैल्यू कितना है 14 है ना, तो कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ प्लस 1 करेंगे हम, 14 प्लस 1 15, ओ जो एक वावेल है उसका पोजीशन वैल्यू कितना है 15 है ना, माइनस 1 करेंगे 14, एस 20 लिखा है ना यहाँ पे 20 होगा, ई तो 4 होगा, आर 19 लिखा है आर 19 होगा, आई का पोजीशन वैल्यू कितना है बोलो 9 है ना, तो आई तो एक वावेल है ना तो 8 होगा, एन कितना है 15 होगा, जी कॉन्सोनेंट है तो जी का पोजीशन में कितना होगा, जी का 7 है ना, तो 7 के साथ हम क्या करेंगे प्लस 1 करेंगे तो 8 होगा. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? Let us take another example. Suppose books is written as 31. So what is the code of jobs? Very easiest concept. Just remember the alphabetical position of each letter. That's all. শুধু মনে রাখতে হবে অ্যালফাবেটিক্যাল পজিশন অনুযায়ী এ টু জেড কোনটা কত নাম্বার, আর কিচ্ছু লাগবে না. দেখো আমরা কি জানি, বি মানে 2, ও মানে 15, again 15, K means 11, S means 19. If you add this, then you get 2 plus 15 17 plus 15 32, 32 plus 11 43, 43 plus 19 62, and if you divide it by 2 then you get 31. Is it clear to everybody? Now what is the code of jobs? Okay, English alphabetical series position. What is the value of J? Okay, 10 plus what is the value of O? 15 plus what is the value of B? 2. Okay, plus what is the value of S? 19. If you add this, 10 plus 15 25, 25 plus 2 27, 27 plus 19, 27 plus 19 is equal to 46. Is it clear? 21 33 46 by 2, then you get the answer is 23. So this is the actual logic of number coding. So that's all for today's lessons. I hope it is clearly understandable to each and every students. If this video is helpful to you, then what you will do? Like, as much as possible share, and also subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much.